someone had to think about it. When I say someone had to think about it, I mean HIKVISION thought about it. For your home, you will need video intercom or the smart doorbell, right? So how do you get that? HIKVISION just gives you a kit. Just get this, install one outdoor station, one indoor monitor, you are done. Someone gets to the door, they call, you get that, you talk to them, right? Same thing on this one. They get to the door, they call, you talk, right? Same thing about this. They get to the door, call, you're able to talk, do two-way. The other good thing is, if you're not home, you will get that notification on Hik-Connect. So the call just instantly comes. You see how you'll do an instant call, an instant video call. It will come that way. Then you're able to talk to that person. So you don't have to be home. Technology is doing that. Then again, there's something else. When I come to message, I come to video, I'll be able to find who was at my door. I can play back those short videos, right? Smart. We introduced that solution. So on the indoor monitor, you put an SD card. Then on that SD card, we're able to record the short clips of what transpired. Again, go back. You see, when you're at home, you don't want any disturbance, you can mute this thing. It connects to your Wi-Fi. Perfect solution. You get the call logs, of course. Then when I think about this, the kit comes with one outdoor monitor, one indoor, one outdoor, one indoor. Some of you maybe have several rooms at home, right? So let me just answer the question before you ask. You can get more indoor monitors based on the number of rooms, maybe 3 rooms, 4 rooms, and then connect to one outdoor station. Again, someone else will ask, what if I have 2 entrances to my premise, maybe the front and the back? You can also get another external outdoor and then make it work. We're trying to give solutions. So the HIKVISION IP Video Intercom Kit gives you clear image quality. Of course, all of them will have a wide angle camera. It's convenient to configure. You don't even need a lot. You just configure by the outdoor and indoor, and that's done. One touch call. The button is quite obvious. Remote control via Hik-Connect, which I already highlighted. Then for your residents, if you connect this to your sliding gate, you connect it to your door. We can also configure it to do what? When someone gets here, they swipe a card. You see there is an icon for card. So they can swipe a card and then gain entry into the premise. Smart, right? They come with 4.3 inch indoor. We have 7-inch indoor monitors. Again, we also have to think about the convenience this gives you. A single kit, you are done, right? So if you have inquiries on this, HIKVISION will continue to give you these solutions as you move. So feel free to get in touch, and I'll provide information, things like the protection level, IP65, things like the power. All this is powered by a switch. You just get a switch and then you power the outdoor and indoor monitor and you're done. So that's a smart way of deploying video intercom solution for your apartment, for your home, right? So let's stay in touch and let's make inquiries on the same, and I'll be happy to reply and give you these solutions.